Good morning, children. Today again I am sending the video of community lesson. That is the lesson number 2. Why I am sending means that is the lot of gap in between the test and all. So again I am sending. Please go through that again community lesson. Children, what is the community? First, in the last video we studied about the community and types of community. What is community? Community is a group of people living in a specific area. There are 3 types of community as we saw in the last video. Children, look at the pictures. First one is rural community and urban community, tribal community. Today we will study in detail about all the 3 types of community. We will study the features, occupations, type of living found in each community with suitable examples. Rural community. Rural community is found in villages. We can also say as village forms a living of type rural. First, let us understand the meaning of the word rural. Rural means relating to countryside rather than town or city. Countryside in general we can say as interior of town where there is less population, no big buildings, more agricultural practices will be in the rural areas. Children, in villages we find literacy rate in average count, means village people are not educated, more are not educated, only they are few are educated. Agriculture is the main occupation of village people. People living in villages are not so modernized. They don't have vast introduction to the modern technologies. Means village people, they are not modern and then they don't know about the modern technologies. In villages, people are very much interdependent on each other. Means what are the functions will be in the village, they will call all the people of the village. If any festivals or fairs in the villages, they will do all together. Means in villages we can see love and affection will be more. Next, 65.53% of total India consists of rural communities. That is 65.53% is total population of rural community in India. In rural community, people earn their living through various occupations. Which are the occupations will be in the rural community? That is the first and important occupation is agriculture. Many more people are dependent on agriculture. Next is animal rearing. Means many people will rear the animals like goats, sheep, labor, poultry, small scale industries. Small scale industries means some of the families, if they are not having the land to agriculture, they are doing same work in the house only, making the baskets, weaving the baskets. That is the small scale industry. That is also found here in the village community, such as making of incense sticks, means agarbattis also they are making at home. Homemade handicrafts also they will sit at home and work. Now let us see what are the occupations found in rural community. First and important occupation is agriculture. In India, many people are dependent on agriculture. Next, cobbler. Cobbler also one of the main occupation of village people. Third one is blacksmith. Fourth one is basket weaving. Just now I said you that is the small scale industry, means basket weaving. They are sitting at home and they are not taking the any employee to the that work. They only at home, housing members only doing that work. Next, potter, pottery. Next, fishing. These are all important occupations of the village. Next, children will come to the urban community. Urban community is found in towns, cities. Community of people who live in towns, cities form urban community. First, let us understand the meaning of the word urban. Urban means relating to town or city. Here we find dense population. Children, dense means more population. Many buildings. If you go cities, we can see many more buildings. Advanced occupations. Rather than rural communities occupations, we can see more advanced occupations in the cities. In towns, cities, we get good quality education which accelerates literacy rate. Means many people are coming to towns and cities to take the education. Why they are coming for cities? Because in cities they will get the good education. And what are the materials they need to educate? All the facilities will give the some of the education institutions in the cities. People living in towns, cities are engaged in different occupations. Means many are working their own work also and some are engaged in the other work also. People in search of good education, quality, job opportunity, business, establishment, etc. migrate to towns and cities. Means children, many people are leaving their village and coming to cities. Why they are migrating to cities? Because of taking the education. Because of the in search of the jobs, they are migrating to cities. And some people are coming to cities for business work. And some are coming for their occupations. Even though most of the Indian population is found in rural area, we experience the crowd and dense population in urban area. If you go market, many more people will be and crowd roads will be and vehicles will be more. Urban community is developing rapidly, providing various opportunities to rebuild our lives. Urban community has wide market area which includes shopping malls. We can see shopping malls in the cities, electronic and vehicle showrooms, star hotels, schools to college to degree, all kind of education can be found in the cities. Now let us see what are the occupations and facilities found in urban community. First one, banking. It is the very important for everyone because these banks will be more in the urban areas only. Nowadays, some of the villages also having banks, branches. Next, hotels. Hotel also it is very important for city people. Many more are working in the hotels and they'll get the job there. Hospitals. It is the very necessary for everyone it is. And market. Market area, all the things will get there. Next, industry. Industry is also very important for city people. Many more people are working there and there for livelihood. Next, IT industries. This is the very important nowadays, that is the technology, information technology industries. Now children, let us see what are the occupations and facilities found in urban community. First one is vehicle showroom. This is the facility for people. Next, malls. When we go malls, each and everything will get there only. And schools. Schools will provide in cities good education. Next one is taxi service. Next, tribal community. Tribal community is found in forest or hilly areas. Community of people living in dense forest from tribal community. Children, look at the picture. By seeing the picture only, you can find these people are not educated. They are living in the forest. Their house is different. Their dress style is different. Their food is different. And then they are cooking outside of the hut. This shows this is a tribal community. This community has the least literacy rate, means they are not educated and lead their living utilizing the natural resources. They are deprived of facilities like education, health, consultancy, transport, electricity, etc. They have no knowledge of modern technologies and have a very different style of living. Some of the examples of tribal community found in Karnataka are Soligas of Mysuru, Koragas of Dakshina Kannada, Jain Kurubas and Yaravas of Kodagu. These tribal communities we can see in Mysuru, Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu. The government is trying to provide the needed facilities like health, education, proper food, house to these people in recent years. Children, next lesson community games we'll see in the next video. Thank you.